not to come around, and I like that. Tell me I'm the problem. I don't fight back. Tell you I don't write songs. I can't write.
Guys, welcome back to my channel. Life update. I finally moved. So this is my new place. And you guys can see those boxes behind me because we're still trying to decorate it. So I'm not gonna show you guys yet. What is the plan for today? I'm getting ready because I'm gonna drive back to New York by myself, and today we're going to celebrate my friend's John's birthday. We're hanging out in the city. So your girl is done and I'm about to head out. I pack everything. I will be back in Princeton tomorrow. Yeah, super nervous of the driving, but I can do this. Alright, I don't have the mirror now, so I cannot show you guys my outfit. I'm heading out. See you guys in New York.
Looking at my whole life, where's my life at? Rain up on the windows, I got no map, lost in constellations. I can't go back up inside my own mind. I get no sleep, trying to play my last
ready to go. It's gonna be an hour 6 minutes drive. Yes, let's do this. And today's really hot and the car is hitting me. Crazy. Hello, so you're gonna make it to New York and I'm going to take the train to the city. I'm with Emily today. So we're going to pick up John's birthday gift and then have a lunch because we're going to have dinner together. Yeah, and it's hot. Oh, also I changed my top because I'm not feeling about that one.
The same old story, seeing you cry makes me feel like saying sorry. This time, you keep saying that I'm fucked up. You keep saying I got no luck. Try so hard, try my best. I can't take the pressure in my chest. I'm around and I like that. Tell me I'm the problem. I don't fight back. Told you I don't write songs. I can't write rap. Looking at my whole life, where's my life at? Rain up on the windows, I got no map, lost in constellations. I can't go back up inside my own mind. I get no slack, tried to play my last move and I lost track. But saying goodbye this time, the same old story. Seeing you cry makes me feel like saying sorry. Saying goodbye this time.
我已经在牛角金安店
Saying goodbye this
丢本一个，
time.
就丢本一个
This
蛋。
time. Tell me not to come around, and I like that. Tell me I'm the problem. I don't fight back. Tell you I don't write songs. I can't write rap. Looking at my whole life, where's my life at? Rain up on the windows, I got no map, lost in constellations. I can't go back up inside my own mind. I get no slack, tried to play my last move and I lost track. But saying goodbye this time, the same old story. Seeing you cry makes me feel like saying sorry. Saying goodbye this time, the same old story. Seeing you cry makes me feel like saying sorry. But saying goodbye this time.
and it's I actually got home like about 2 hours ago, but I was so tired. I was just rolling around on the bed. Yeah, and today was so fun, and the restaurants was so nice. The food was so good. We love it. And we actually had a lot of walking because we thought there was like a night market. That was supposed to be in Chinatown, but we messed up the date. It's not today, it's next month. So yeah, we did pretty much of the walking, but we had fun. We're going to IKEA tomorrow to pick up some furniture for my new place. Also, my family is moving soon too. Yeah, I guess that's it for today. I'm gonna bring you guys with me tomorrow again because I'm exhausted, to be honest. Just gonna rest and get ready. I will see you guys tomorrow. Morning, guys. So we are heading out to IKEA. We're gonna have breakfast over there. Yeah, it's 12 now actually, so brunch. Alright, so I will see you guys in IKEA. Let's go.
Demons in my room can make them sign to find me in the nighttime. I'm trying to find you. Coffee and a cigarette and keep me up awake when I am trying to die.
Yo guys, this is dream.
I need you more than ever.